Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at a straightforward, legitimate way to get a free smartphone and monthly wireless service through Tag Mobile. If you qualify for the federal Lifeline assistance program, you can get connected without paying for monthly bills, contracts, or hidden fees. Let's dive right into how it works and how you can apply online in just a few minutes. First, let's confirm if you are eligible. Tag Mobile provides these free devices through the government-funded Lifeline program. You automatically qualify if you or a household member participates in federal assistance programs like SNAP, Medicaid, SSI, Federal Public Housing Assistance, or the Veterans Pension. You can also qualify based strictly on your household income, provided it is at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines. Applying is simple and takes about 3 minutes. Head over to tagmobile.com and enter your zip code to check the available offers in your area. Approved applicants typically receive a brand new Android smartphone, free unlimited talk and text, and a monthly allotment of high-speed data. During the online application, you will need to upload 2 key pieces of verification. First, a valid proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Second, an official document proving your program participation or qualifying income, such as a recent benefit statement. Make sure your uploaded documents are well lit, easy to read, and clearly display your current residential address. Once your application is approved, Tag Mobile processes the order and ships the device directly to your doorstep for free. There is just one important rule to remember. Federal regulations require you to use your service at least once every 30 days to keep the account active. Simply making a quick phone call, sending a text message, or browsing the web ensures you keep your free benefit entirely active. That is it for today's guide. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct professional guides. Thanks for watching.